Mothernode CRM's Outlook add-in provides many ways to synchronize correspondence, contact information, and calendar events between Mothernode CRM and Outlook. In Outlook Email, you'll have access to synchronization functions from the add-in in both the preview mode and in an open email. In preview mode, you'll see a contact information pane on the right. You simply open it up by clicking Contact Details in the upper right. That will display contact-related information if there is a corresponding contact record in Mothernode. If there is not a corresponding contact record in Mothernode from the email sender, you'll see this form that allows you to create a new contact in Mothernode on the fly by completing the form and clicking Add Contact at the bottom. And additionally, you'll have the ability to archive email, which is to send the actual correspondence within the email to the contact record in Mothernode. You can also send the correspondence to another record in Mothernode, such as another contacts record, a lead opportunity record, a case record, or a customer record. You will also have the ability to right-click on the email summary information on the left, and you'll see that at the bottom of this options list, again, we can perform archive functions, the same functions that we saw in the upper right, and then additionally, we have the ability to forward the correspondence to Mothernode to automatically create a lead or opportunity record, and it automatically creates that record in Mothernode with the correspondence information, brings it to the top of the list so it's easy to find. You're able to then get in there and start working the lead opportunity, assign it, whatever you need to do. The same goes with creating new cases. You can forward the correspondence to immediately create a new case in Mothernode. Within the open email in Outlook, you have access to the same contact information pane and the same archive options that we saw earlier. Additionally, you can also create the new opportunity record by clicking this option, and it will send the correspondence to Mothernode and create the opportunity record so you can begin working on that immediately. If this is tied to an existing lead opportunity record, then all you would have to do to file the correspondence with an existing lead or opportunity is to type in the designated record number for that lead or opportunity, enter it into this field, and click this option, and it will send the correspondence as a note for that lead or opportunity. And of course, you can create a brand new case by clicking this option. It sends the correspondence to Mothernode and automatically creates the new case record, and you can file the correspondence with an existing case by typing in the case number into this field and clicking this option. Within the Outlook Contacts function, be sure to select the Mothernode Contacts folder to expose the contacts that are currently being synced between Outlook and Mothernode, and simply switch between contacts by clicking the desired contact's name. You'll see the contact information pane update immediately on the right. To expose this pane, simply click Contact Details in the upper right. There are a number of things that you can do within the contact information pane in terms of viewing and updating information for the contact being displayed. If you click on the green Mothernode icon, it will automatically log you into Mothernode and display the contact information in Mothernode as it appears, and then you can edit accordingly, so you can always do this on the fly. You can also, if they have a designated Twitter account and you have that set up in their Mothernode contact record, or a LinkedIn account, you can view that information as well. And with respect to the customer account that the contact is tied to, you'll have access to customer-related activity, and you'll be able to take further action as well. For example, you can open the Mothernode customer profile by simply clicking the customer name link here, and you can view recent activity within the customer account that that contact is tied to, including leads and opportunities, quotes, orders, and other types of transactions. Further, you can begin a new transaction by clicking this option right here on the right, and that would allow you to start working the new lead or opportunity in Mothernode. Or you can access and open an existing lead or opportunity or other type of record like a quote or order by clicking the reference name here. For example, I click this one And again, it will automatically log me into Mothernode, open the window, and I'm here within that specific lead in this case, and I'll be able to manage it and update it accordingly. By clicking Show Events, you'll be able to see recent notes and calendar events that have been set up in the Mothernode contact record for this contact. In this case, we can see at the very top that a calendar event had been set up, and we can see a note below as well. So all of the event information that is currently associated with the contact record in Mothernode will appear here. And for contacts that you may not be currently syncing with Mothernode, you have the ability to search for those contacts by accessing this option and typing a partial search, clicking the search button to the right, and locating the appropriate contact. You can then open that contact record in Mothernode and flag it for synchronization if you desire. And finally, within contacts, an additional way to create a new contact and submit it to Mothernode to have that record immediately created is simply go to your new contact function in Outlook, enter the contact as you normally would, and as long as you're doing this within the Mothernode contacts folder, that information will be immediately sent to Mothernode, the contact record will be created, and you'll have immediate access to it from both Mothernode and Outlook. Calendar synchronization is completely bidirectional between Outlook and Mothernode, so when you set up a calendar event in Outlook as you normally would, but by clicking Link to Mothernode in the upper right, it will not only create the calendar event in Outlook, but it will send that event to Mothernode, and it automatically creates that record as well in Mothernode immediately. Additionally, when you make changes to an existing Outlook calendar event, you can do so simply by opening up the event in Outlook, making the change, and clicking Link to Mothernode in the upper right. The event changes are immediately communicated and updated within Mothernode. And likewise, when you make an event change in Mothernode, it will immediately communicate and update in Outlook. For more information, visit our YouTube channel or customer support site, or with any questions, please contact us directly at customer.support@mothernode.com.